And look who decided to show up for work.
I'm a heartbreaker! Gonna make you cry.
What, surfer point no good at South Padre?
The waves are flat and I got no gas. You know that, Kay. Dude, rude. Look at these two June bugs. Woo, mama. Hey, you're paying me on this one, right, Cade? Please tell me I'm getting paid.
You know, Lucas, a lot of guys are just happy to have a job at all.
Yeah, I suppose.
You got any cash on you?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Hey, Lucas Flannery.
Place has been in the family since 28. Granddaddy ran it all his life. Ain't that right, Granddaddy? Real soon, he's gonna sign it over to me.
The movies nowadays, that's the trouble. Sequels and remakes, bunch of crap. I love that one. Oh,
He's deaf and senile.
heard that.
Now, these just need some spit and polish. I believe they're digital, possibly IMAX.
Yeah, they're not. Mister, we'll have a look around if you want to leave us to it, okay?
You know, folks used to come from miles around to see the dancing girls with the big cha-chas.
Swear to God, I am one diaper change away from poisoning his oatmeal.
Hey, you hang in there, buddy. Coming here makes you feel young again. You tell this kid to bring you here every day. $7, I keep talking.
Sold.
Remember this place when we were kids? How many girls do you think you brought here in high school?
I only remember one. Hey, heads!
Ow! Oh!
That's why you didn't make the varsity team.
All right. Go long. Leave it.
Mortar shells? What the hell happened to you? Hey, snake balls. How much for the truck?
Truck?